Hello, in this micro tutorial I would like to show you how to store your workflow in a GitHub. You've probably noticed that there is a button for GitHub. To store a workflow, you will need to add a workflow name, add some message, test workflow, and you can try to store it. But you will probably notice that there is an error that the GitHub token is undefined. What you have to do, you have to go to settings, or in older version into maintenance, find the configuration, click new configuration and select GitHub configuration. Here you will need to deliver a token from your GitHub. You can look up the internet to find out how to get the GitHub token. You will also need a repo owner, so I will type my repo owner and some repo, and let me fill the token. My GitHub configuration is filled, so I can go back to automation, to my workflow, click GitHub, and I can save this test. Okay, the data is pushed. I switched to my GitHub repository, atom.py-test. I can go to workflows, and you can hear this is my workflow. This way you can save all the workflows in your GitHub repository. The same way you can load your workflows from GitHub. You can click GitHub, pull. This is the list from my GitHub repository. I can select some of the workflows. Here we go, and I have just loaded some workflow from my repository. Let's try another one. Or maybe the one I've recently saved. Here we go. So this way you can save all your workflows in GitHub.